In today's video, I am going to teach you how to check ledger in Zoho Books. The general ledger is the backbone of your accounting, showing every debit and credit posted to each account within a specific period, whether you are reviewing activity for the month or preparing for a quarterly close. This quick process will give you a clear, reliable view of your books. Start by logging into your Zoho Books account. Use your regular sign-in method. And if you manage more than one organization, confirm you are in the correct company before moving on. It's best practice to do this on a secure network, and if available, with two-step verification enabled to protect your financial data. Once you are in, look to the left sidebar and find the Reports section. This is your hub for all financial and management reports in Zoho Books. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the labels clearly. Reports are grouped to make navigation easier, and you'll find the accounting-focused views listed together. Scroll down until you see the Accountant section. This area contains the core reports used for bookkeeping and reconciliations. Locating it here helps you quickly jump to the statements you need most during monthly and quarterly reviews. Click on General Ledger. This report compiles activity across all your accounts for the period you choose. You'll typically see each account with its running balance, plus individual transactions showing debits and credits. It's designed to help you trace activity from high-level totals down to the underlying entries, ensuring your balances make sense and align with your source documents. Next, select the date range you want to review. You can choose a preset like this month or last quarter, or set a custom range if you are investigating a particular time frame. Pick dates that match your reporting cycle and be consistent with your accounting period to keep comparisons clean. If your business operates across regions, make sure your dates reflect the time zone and closing schedule you use for your books. When you are ready, click Run Report. Zoho Books will generate the ledger based on the dates you selected. Give it a moment to load, especially if your account has a lot of transactions. After it appears, skim the header to confirm the date range and glance through a few accounts to ensure the activity looks complete and reasonable. Regularly checking this report makes reconciliation smoother and helps you spot issues early, like unusual entries or missing postings. That's it. Thanks for watching.